Everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how we can easily put your Spotify playlist into Notion. So let's get started on this. So what you have to do first is go into Spotify and take the playlist, and then you have to click on these three dots right here, which is more options, which you have to click on that, and you have this option called share, and you have to copy this link to playlist. You don't have to copy the embed playlist. You have to copy link to the playlist. Once that's done, you have to go back to the Notion page, and now I'll just close this one, delete this one. Okay, let me just show you. Find a space where you want to insert this Spotify widget. Once you find that, you have to paste that link right here, and you have three options right appearing here. What you have to select is the third option, which is create embed. You have to click on that. Now just wait for a second or two, and right here you can see my Spotify playlist is now added here. As you can see, the songs are the same as in my Spotify playlist right here. Let me show you. You can see right here. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.